Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices so the real steps run smoothly. Charge your Versa 4 to at least 50% and turn on Bluetooth on your phone. This prevents interruptions. Open the Fitbit app, sign in, and make sure you grant location and notifications. Google Maps needs those permissions to share navigation. Once done, confirm Google Maps is installed and updated on the phone. These actions let your watch receive directions and quick replies. Make sure both devices are near each other. Now you enable notification mirroring so Google Maps can push directions to the Versa 4. In the Fitbit app, select your Versa 4 profile, tap Notifications, and choose App Notifications. Turn on Google Maps notifications and allow them to show on the watch. This mirrors incoming navigation prompts. Once set, start a route on your phone in Google Maps and you'll see turn-by-turn alerts appear as cards on the watch. This method uses standard notification mirroring rather than a native Maps app on the device. To complete navigation, launch a route in Google Maps and follow prompts on your phone. The Versa 4 will display turn alerts, distance, and ETA as notifications. Tap a Maps notification on the watch to expand details and use quick replies or dismiss when needed. If you miss alerts, make sure Bluetooth is connected, notification permissions are still enabled, and the phone isn't in battery saver mode, which can block background notifications. One key troubleshooting tip: force close Fitbit and Maps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.